Oh, this thing is broken. Like, I cannot even explain to you. Let me show you what it's doing. I'm currently right now I'm chatting with support right here. Okay, so let me show you what it's doing. So on. It's not like there's no water. Empty, dirty water tank. And did y'all hear that? It like squeaked. This is why I purchased this thing full price, so I can talk all the fucking shit about it if it goes over like bad, which it's going bad right now. And I bought this machine September 9th. And I also use this machine every other day. Like,